If you're gonna eat, it might as well taste good. We're gonna make some shrimp today. We're gonna make it on the griddle. It's gonna be good. Very simple ingredients. We're gonna use shrimp, got from Walmart. It's medium, peeled, deveined, tails on. I'm gonna remove the tails. We're gonna take it, we're gonna put it on the Weber Kettle with a Hunsaker Griddle and do some simple ingredients. The shrimp, butter, garlic, minced garlic, just an all-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. We'll do that. We'll use unsalted butter as well. That's all we're gonna do it. I think it's gonna be good. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna detail these things. This isn't hard. It's not rocket science. Right now the fire is going on. The fire is getting up in the chimney on the for the kettle. Just grab a hold, try and wiggle it off. If it won't come off, you wind up losing some of the tail with it. That's fine. They're ready to go to the grill. It should be just about ready. I'm going to get some minced garlic and some butter, and we'll be ready to go. Once again, we've got all our ingredients here. We've got the shrimp. We got some minced garlic. We got some butter, salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, and a little bit of oil. This is going to be really quick once we get going. So, spread them out across. Okay, that's going to give us a nice good heat zone right through here. I use these grease monkey gloves. They're not going to protect you from very much heat. They'll keep you from getting scalded in a quick thing like this. Plate here. The heat is going to be right there. That's where we want it. That's not quite ready yet. What you want is it to pop. That is much closer. I'm going to throw down some butter. Once again, this is going to go really, really fast. Throw in some oil. You don't want the garlic to burn. First layer of salt, pepper, garlic. My SPG rub has a lot of pepper in it because I like pepper. Into the grease trap. Want just a little bit of char on it. Normally I go back inside to try this stuff out, but we're going to just try one right off the griddle today. That is fantastic. Now, you can put that with some rice, put it with, you know, some veggies, whatever you want. It's a really good, tasty shrimp. As always, I'm going to try one more. Just as good as the first one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. And you can also hit the little bell to get a notification every time I post something. They came out great, y'all.